Hi everybody, thanks for joining me. This is getting weird. Is it? Hey, I'm Suzanne. I'm a registered foot reflexologist and I live in beautiful North Vancouver, BC, where it's currently raining, which is our winter, but hey, not so bad, right? Anyway, we are on episode 3 here of Self-Care Sunday DIY Reflexology. So thanks for joining me. I wanted to start this series to give you guys some tips on what you can do on your own feet using reflexology to help reduce pain, make you feel really relaxed, reduce stress, and help heal areas of your body. So for those of you that might not know, our whole body is represented in our feet. And we have different reflexes, just like you have a reflex in your knee. When the doctor hits it, it moves. So it's an automatic response. So when we activate different reflexes on the bottom of the feet, that signal actually gets sent back to the spinal cord and out to those areas. So we can access the whole body via the feet. Plus it feels amazing. So it's a win-win, right? So in episode 3 today, I want to focus on headaches. So this is something that's super common. First of all, make sure you're drinking water because a lot of people get headaches just because they're dehydrated. But other than that, a lot of people get headaches because they have a really tight neck and head and base of their skull. So if you watched last week's episode, I did talk about releasing the neck in this area. So the big toe represents your head. And so I want to go a little bit further in there for headaches. So do watch my last week's video, episode 2, because you do want to activate all the neck reflexes here. And I also wanted to bring it up onto the head and just massaging the bottoms of the toes. So right here on the pads of the toes, my phone's moving, there we go, is your brain and your skull. So by activating that, we can do it on the second toe and the third toe as well. A little bit on the fourth one too. So by pressing on there, and make sure you're using, it makes it more relaxing to use some cream or lotion. But by pushing on there, we're activating the brain reflex, which is going to release any stress or pent up tension that we have. It's also going to release the skull. And like I said, go back to last week's episode and see where I talk about releasing your neck as well. So you can do this in the evening before you go to bed, so you have a restful sleep. You can also do this in the morning when you wake up, just to help clear your mind and any stress that might be left over, or when you feel like you have a headache coming on, you can try it out. And if you're in the middle of the headache, you can try it out as well. So don't underestimate just stopping, taking your socks off and working on your feet a little bit, just to help with that. And help soothe and release some of that stress and tension you have going on. So thanks for joining me on this episode. Make sure you go to my website, www.footgurureflexology.com. Sign up for my newsletter there. You can join, and I'll be sending out more tips and tutorials like this, interesting stuff about reflexology, and also any promos or workshops I have going on locally and online in the future very soon. So hope to see you guys over there. Thanks for joining me. Bye.